Hey UZ customer, your package has been delivered and thank you so much for placing an order with us. Before you put your yard signs out and secure those leads, here's what you should expect when you receive your order. You should have gotten your order and it will be secure with brown packing tape for the travels via UPS. Depending on the quantity, you will either have a separate box of stakes, or the stakes will be in the box with your yard signs. It will have brown packing paper on the top of the bottom of the box to separate the stakes and the sign so that they don't damage one another in transit, and it will be placed in the boxes so. From there, you will see your yard signs in full effect. Also, for reference purposes, the packaging label can be located on the top or the side of the box. If you have any concerns with your order, don't throw anything away and call us as soon as possible so we can help. If your order is good to go, you can start posting them outside. You can post them in customers' lawns, street corners, four-way intersections, and as well as poles. Also, make sure you are aware of your city guidelines before you post them. UZ Marketing can't wait to hear from you again, and be sure to leave us an honest review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to like this video as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.